Hello, my name is Anton Petrov, and I'm with Netcracker. In this catalyst, we are presenting our NFV orchestration solution from NSE and Netcracker, our virtual mobile core, and showing how the NFV orchestration can get a live feed from the virtual infrastructure and network functions themselves. By correlating these health indicators coming out of virtual infrastructure manager and application alarms, the orchestration decides what the best next action might be: a scaling, a healing, or a virtual machine migration. So you see that the orchestration constantly reacts on the traffic spikes, the sudden traffic spikes coming from the network, tracks the APIs, and recalculates API KPI thresholds. By getting an authorization from a policy controller, the orchestration enforces an action. And this optimizes the whole network all the time. Thank you very much.